We are at another Maronda home in Sawmill Creek. This is a Memphis floor plan, 1,600 square feet. You've got a bedroom, bathroom, laundry room right as you walk in. Nice open floor plan, kitchen island looking out into the great room with a nice lanai covered porch. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, a bedroom through here, entryway to the garage. You come through the kitchen area, this way to the master bedroom. Nice tray ceilings, over 9-foot, 4 ceilings. You've got your master bathroom through here. Beautiful floor plan, beautiful house.